Hello, today we have a new arrival. Here is a Steinway Model M. This piano was completely rebuilt by the Charles Walter Piano Company. All new components, brought back to new condition in a factory setting, which is very important. Not even Steinway rebuilds their pianos in the Steinway factory. Now we have Charles Walter Piano Company rebuilding Charles Walters in their factory. So let's hear this Steinway that was rebuilt in the Walter Piano Factory. Steinway Model M. What a beautiful, clear sound, just voiced beautifully. The people at Charles Walter know what they're doing when it comes to high-end pianos, and this Steinway is no exception.